Alright, so before using the Team073 bot lobby tool, there's a few important points that we need to understand. First, you need to purchase Game Pass Ultimate accounts for each bot you plan to use, and that price is approximately $10 each. So if you intend to run a multiplayer bot lobby, you'll need 10 bots. You'll have 10 separate Game Pass Ultimate accounts. Each account is one bot. Users in regions that don't have Game Pass Cloud Gaming may face connection issues even when you try to use a VPN to circumvent that. We're currently working on a way to resolve this, and we'll provide an update if we ever resolve it. Regarding the number of accounts required for different modes, Ranked Match consists of 8 players requiring 6 bot accounts and 2 real players. Multiplayer matches have 12 players requiring 10 bot accounts and 2 real players. Warzone matches, you'll need up to around 40 Game Pass accounts. In order to start, what you're going to end up doing is launching the tool. So I'll go ahead and launch that now. You'll go ahead and throw your license in. After you throw it in and click validate, your license key will save, but ensure you also save it somewhere else in case you ever reset your PC or so on and so forth. But once you launch the tool and click validate license, it's going to run through our back-end authentication system. Once it verifies that that license is valid, it will prompt you with the game manager screen. We currently offer 2 working games, with a third being in development, just awaiting the full release of Black Ops 7. We've got Modern Warfare 3, Black Ops 6, and coming soon, Black Ops 7. We then have 3 separate game modes: multiplayer, Warzone, and ranked. This is what I was talking about earlier. Multiplayer, you'll need 10 accounts with 2 real people. Warzone, 40. Ranked is 6 accounts with 2 real players. The number of views will equate to the amount of screens you will see. For a normal bot lobby that everyone is most commonly aware of is multiplayer bot lobbies, you'll need 10 views. So you'll click multiplayer and then 10 views and click start session. You're prompted with 10 separate screens here. You'll see that you'll have a host 1 in the top left and a host 2 in the bottom left, and then you'll have a total of 4 bots next to each host. The host is important as that's going to be your actual host for your lobbies. After you sign in to all the accounts, you're going to proceed to the settings where you should change that server location to Korea. So you'll log into all of them. Once they're all logged into, they'll look similar to like this. Some may not have a profile picture, it doesn't matter, but as long as you can go in here and see it, you're good. You'll click settings, you'll change from default server to Korea Central. And then your stream resolution is going to be completely dependent on your internet speed. If your internet quality is low, you're going to want to reduce it from 1080p to 720. If your internet speed's fine, you can just keep it at 1080p. Don't really worry about changing the host bitrate and player bitrate. That's if you have an abnormally slow internet. After you select this, you're going to go ahead and click apply settings. Then it's going to tell you that you need to restart. Don't be alarmed, you don't need to restart your entire computer. Just go ahead and close this. Go ahead and close the loader in the top right. It'll bring you back to the game manager, and then just click start session again. And then that's it. You are successfully sent to that Korean server on all your accounts that you are currently logged into. Sometimes you'll see accounts that will have another box up here in the top right indicating that they're in like a KR region. Sometimes you won't, but it'll still be there. For testing purposes, I'm only going to show you with one account. So I'm just going to go ahead and close it, reduce my sessions to 1, click start session, and then I'm actually going to make this full screen. When you're logged in, your settings is switched to the Korean server. You're going to click play included with Ultimate. I'm just going to wait for this to load here. You just go ahead and skip through this. On your first login, just like with normal COD, you're going to need to create an Activision account for each of the bot accounts. You don't need to necessarily remember the information, but it is helpful to remember. And you can just skip this cutscene. Sometimes you'll be prompted to sync data for it. Alright, so when you're loaded in, go ahead and just click this X in the top right. You'll go ahead and select your Black Ops 6 here in the middle, or whatever game mode you are choosing, or whatever game. There is a small bug with the mouse moving around. You'll see that my mouse, right, is here on my screen, but you can't actually click multiplayer in the bottom left. You can use your D and A buttons on your keyboard and press space to select. So we'll be selecting multiplayer. So this is a host account. You'll want all the other accounts to join a host. You'll want 5 other accounts to join this host. That includes 4 bots and 1 real player, and then the other host will be another 4 bots and 1 real player. When they're all joined, you're going to want to select Find a Match. When you find a match, you're going to want to filter for the hardcore mode, and then you're just going to want to select Nuketown 24/7. It's the easiest way in which you can find a match. It's smaller maps, fewer players, increased kills, just offering a better bot experience in total. So once you have that selected, you'll just want to select Find a Match on each of the host accounts. So you select Find a Match on one, you'll go to your other host, do the same thing, get to Hardcore Nuketown 24/7, and you'll select Find a Match. Most of the time you'll connect on the first or second try. If you do run into issues connecting, do it a third time. If that doesn't work, open a ticket and we can figure out what's going on. So now we'll just wait for us to get in the lobby. Alright, so when you are in the loading screen of your hardcore game mode, you're going to want to wait till you start to see people move around. So what that means is once you're here, you're going to have that countdown timer go down, and once you see people start moving around, you'll want to end up selecting an actual game mode. Or sorry, you don't need to select a class, but once you see people move around, just click the movement screen, and it'll auto pick a class for you. Give it a second.
Hardcore team deathmatch. Eliminate the enemy.
So you can see that the bots are moving of their own volition. And if you ever want to stop it, you just click the movements again. Now you have the ability to do manual movements. All you got to do is click sync keyboard. So if you are in a game mode and you want to move the bots yourself, you can click on a single instance and move it. If you are in a game and you want all the bots to leave immediately, what you'll do is you'll just exit out of this full screen mode. You'll click abandon and next, and all the bots will leave themselves.